Easy Mathsy YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about lines and angles. Lines are endless in both the direction. Means it will keep going in any direction, not only this horizontal. It may go like a vertical or any direction, here and here. And any direction it will be going. Not only this, any direction. Both the sides it will be keep going only. Until we don't know, so we can keep this as infinity and this side, the another side minus infinity. From here, if we are taking anywhere a small portion of the line which is expanded in both direction, so that is called line segment, that we call line segment. And if anything is starting at one point and it keeps going endlessly, that is called ray. Now, what are angles? Two rays inclined in a point forms an angle. Any two rays inclined in a one point forms an angle, that we can say as a angle. This is, if the angle is 90 degree, then it is said to be right angle. If the angle is in a straight line, then it is and it is 180 degree, and then it is said to be straight angle. If an angle is lesser than 90 degree, then it is acute angle. Lesser than 90 degrees, acute angle. Maybe 80 degree, 70 degree, 30, 40, all lesser than 90 degree, from 0 to 90 degree. Obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degree, is called obtuse angle. More than 90 degree, but lesser than 180. That is called obtuse angle. And the angle which is more than 180 degree, like this, that is like 270, like that. That is called reflex angle. An angle which is complete angle is the full. That means the remaining for this, in this, the remaining is the complete angle. And for this 270, the remaining, what is the remaining for 360? 60 plus 30, 90 degree. So maybe this. So this is the complete angle. Now we will see what are this type of angle. What is 35 degree? That is lesser than 90. So that is acute angle. 90. Now we will see what is complementary and supplementary angles. If there are two angles, if we add together to get to 90 degree, that is for complementary to each other. They are said to be complementary to each other. For example, now A is 40 degree and B is 50 degree. For angle B, A is complementary. Angle A, B is complementary. That is angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then A and angle A and angle B are said to be complementary to each other. Said to be complementary to each other. Like that only. If there is a two angles, when we add two angles, if we get 180 degree, they are supplementary to each other. That means angle x is equal to here 110 degree and angle y is equal to 70 degree. So angle x plus y is angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. Means angle x is supplementary angle to y and y is supplementary angle to x. From that we can find few angles, complementary angles here. 60 plus what is equal to 90. 30. So this is 30 degree. So x plus y is equal. So x and y both are equal and this is a right angle. So right angle, so x plus, so 90 in that half, how much? 45 degree. So both are same. So it is, we can take as 2x is equal to 90. 2x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 by 2. It is equal to 45 degree. So x is equal to y. So y is also is equal to 45 degree. Like that, we can find out complementary angles. Find the missing angles. Here you see x plus 2x. They haven't given any other. So we know that line on a angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So x plus 2x is equal to 3x, that is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. 2x, this is 6 2s are 120. 6 2s are 12, 120 degree. Okay. Here also A and B both are same. 180, if you divide it in half, this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Easy, right? When lines intersect each other, there forms angles. In these angles, these opposite angles are equal. For example, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, you think. So angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D. And angle on a straight line, in that angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Like that, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. This is called linear pair axiom. Next, problems according to that. Find the missing angles. When this is 130 degrees, according to linear pair axiom, this f is also is equal to 130 degrees only. And when angle on a straight line, when angle on a straight line is supplementary angles, so 130 plus how much is 180? E is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50. So when this is a 50, this is also 50 only. So E is equal to 50 degree. Like that, here 15. 15 plus how much is x? 115, sorry, 115. So 115 plus, sorry, 115, sorry, 180 minus 115. 180 minus 115 is 65 degree. So this is x is equal to 65 degree. That is the answer. A transversal passing through a parallel line. There is a parallel line. One transversal is passing through that. Then the alternate interior angles are equal. Here the angle formed inside this parallel lines, they are equal. How they are equal? Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. Means alternate A and C. Alternate B and D. Alternate interior angles are equal. Next one. When a transversal passing through a parallel line, alternate exterior angles are also equal. These are our exterior angles, angle E, angle F, angle G, angle H. So angle E and alternate, angle E and angle H. Like that. Angle F and is equal to angle G. They are exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are equal. The next one. Co-interior angles on the same side of a transversal add to 180 degrees. So co-interior angles, these are called co-interior. These are not alternate. If you see, these are interior angles and they are said to be co-interior angles. If you add that both angles, we will get angle A, angle B is equal to 180 degree. That is what they mean. Co-interior angles. Next one, angles which occupy same relative positions at each intersections are equal. Angle here, there are few set of angles A, B, C, D. Here few set of angles E, F, G, H. This A is equal to E, B is equal to F, D is equal to H, C is equal to G. That means it is like equal for the corresponding and relative positions. That is angle A is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle F. Angle D. So C is equal to angle G. Angle D is equal to angle H. So A is equal to E, B is equal to F, D is equal to H, C is equal to G. So angles which occupy the same relative positions at each intersection are equal. Next, find angles. So we know that interior angles, alternative interior angles are equal. So according to that law, here 5x plus 12 is equal to 47 degree. So 5x is equal to what? 47. This 12 when it comes this side minus 12. So 5x is equal to 35. X is equal to 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7. As co-interior angles on the same side of a transversal add to 180 degree. That means this 96 degree plus 77x is equal to 180 degree. Hence we can easily find out what is x is equal to 180 degree minus 96 degree. That is equal to 84. 7x is equal to 84. 84 divided by 7. That is x is equal to 12. So 7x is equal to, we want 7x itself is 84 degree. 84 degree this is. And this one 5x plus 12 is equal to 47. This is also 47. Find angles. This is not actually find angles. We have to find the x in this. Next. Angles which occupy the same relative position, each intersection are equal. So this is exactly equal to this angle. So 2x plus 30 is equal to 154. 2x is equal to 154 minus 30, that is 124. So x is equal to 124 divided by 2 is equal to 62. So x is equal to, here x is equal to 62. Alternative interior angles are equal. So as alternative interior angles are equal, 3x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 10. So let's keep the x one side. Minus 2x is equal to 10 plus 5. This will be x is equal to 15. So next, try to solve these sums, children, and answer in comment. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.